Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful jeans jacket from your old jeans. That's why you have to watch the full video. In the middle of the video I will give you some tips about the stitching of jacket. I took off a jeans. At first I will open the pocket. I will take the length of the jeans jacket 18 inch. Then I will cut it out. Rest part of the jeans I will use to make hands. Take the another part of the jeans and you have to cut it out, the waist part of the jeans. I will keep it for other purpose. For making back portion of the jacket, I will take the two part of the jeans and I will measure with the help of koti. We need to sew this portion. For making front part of the jacket, we will join the some extra part of the jeans. It's look like this after sewing. Now I will measure the front part with respect to the back part. If you want to see more new videos, subscribe my channel. And also click on the I button to watch other videos. Attach the strip to the front part. You can apply collar if you want, but I am here not putting it. I will sew the bottom portion. I took 4 bottoms to attach. If you want to see more new videos, subscribe my channel.